So I'm sitting here working on this brake noise diagnosis, and the customer stated that she hears a grinding noise, and it's not always when she steps on the brakes. She hears it all the time, whether she's stepping on the brakes or not. So I'll pull it around into the shop, and I can hear it without even stepping on the brakes. So just do my visual inspection. And give me a little light in there so you can see. The brake pads look good. So I'm looking for anything that may be rubbing. Still got some brake pad in there. Still got some brake pads, so I'm looking at hardware. Nothing's rubbing. I look down here at the tire, and I see this line. See that line going all the way around? Look at this. That was just sliding around behind.